This is not a clickbait. Oh yeah, you saw the title right. What's up, future millionaires? My name is Fred, and today I'm going to share with you some wild crypto opportunities that you are missing out right now. This is one of the most transparent YouTube channels. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step of how I turned $400 into over $5,000. That's about more than 1000% in profit. In my previous videos, I made a video about how I made my mom about $2,000 just 3 days of investing. That video didn't gain more attraction as I wanted, so it didn't really motivate me to do more crypto videos showing you the profits I'm making in the market. If you are new to this channel or you already watch our videos, please put a like and subscribe on our channel, and it will be much appreciated. Now, let's get it. This video is going to be in 3 stages. First, I'll take you to Exodus. Exodus is one of my crypto wallets where I hold my cryptocurrencies. There, you get to see how much BitTorrent I bought and how much profit I'm making each and every day. The second stage, I'm going to explain what BitTorrent is and the BitTorrent token. And the third stage, I'm going to give you some price predictions of what you should be expecting. If you like this video, please share it, put a like and subscribe to our channels for more videos like this. So traders, the intro I just showed was recorded a week ago. That was when I was making about $5,000 to about $6,000 for my $400 investment. So that was when I wanted to shoot the whole video, but I just waited for a while to shoot the video now. That's today, to show you my overall profits I made on my $400 investing in bittorrent. That's BTT. Guys, I'm going to show you everything. So let me just pop up my screen and show you when I started, or when I placed the deposits, or when I started investing in this bittorrent. So that was about 3 to 4 months ago. That was last year, 2020. I just put in $400 in bittorrent. So I bought bittorrent worth $400, and at that point it was around 0.004. Yes, that was the price I bought bittorrent. Okay, so I bought bittorrent, and you know, always I tell my friends, my family, the people close to me, buy bittorrent, and most especially buy XRP, that's Ripple, and also buy some coins like Polkadot and Chainlink, and also Stellar Lumen. Guys, I'm going to show you my watch list, my crypto watch list in my description, or at the end of the video I'm going to show you my crypto watch list. So every week I update my watch list. That's the coin that has more potential to make you a lot of money. So subscribe to my watch list on CoinMarketCap, because every week I go to my watch list and look at the coins I'm looking at the moment, which I think are really going to make you profit. So you can subscribe to my watch list, and for now it's for free, but later you can pay a fee for it. So I'm going to show you how much I invested. So that's it. I invested $400, around $300, $400, and you saw my investment just skyrocketed. So most of the time, as I said, I tell people to invest in XRP and Stellar. But for bittorrent, well, I told a couple of people, but I wasn't so confident about making people invest in it, because for me, I thought this thing was really going to perform. But as to when it was going to go high, I didn't really know my analysis. But I knew in the long term, the bittorrent thing was going to really skyrocket. That's why I really believed in it. I placed $400 investment to it, which I had in mind to later add more money to it. So I purchased about 1 million, over 1 million tokens of bittorrent. And just 2 months, 3 months, I saw some upward movement on it. But recently, it goes up, and you see it's reversed to the downward direction. So there wasn't really an uptrend or a downtrend. It was just moving toward a sideways direction. So I thought I was going to do that for a while, a year or two, before start making really some decent profits. But it came sooner than expected. So you saw my bittorrent goes to $500, $600, $1,000. How I got $1,000? Well, I wasn't tempted to withdraw anything from my money, because when this when this 1 million tokens get to $1, that's $1 million. So I had this big picture, I had this big goal to wait for my Bitcoin to get to $1 so that I could get $1 million. Looking at the use case of this Bitcoin, Bitcoin is BTC. Bitcoin is like the most used internet file transfer sites in the world. The most used sites in the world, which has millions of users every single day. So I thought, if this BTC is really having a good use case, and a lot of people start jumping on it and using it, you could see explosive increments in the price. So I went to look into some partnerships of Bitcoin, and I saw them getting new partnerships with companies like Google and other big companies. So I thought this thing really had a future. So I just left my investment. So most of the time when I mention BTC, people think I'm trying to say Bitcoin, and I had it wrong. So Bitcoin is BTC and BTC is bittorrent. So what is bittorrent? Bittorrent is a peer-to-peer file transfer system which enables users to distribute data and electronic files over the internet in a decentralized manner. So Bitcoin is a decentralized file transfer system whereby people can download files, people can post files on their computers, or people download forms and stuff. So what are some use cases of the BitTorrent token? When you are downloading files on the BitTorrent platform and you want your download to be real quick or very fast, you can pay with BitTorrent, and then they can make your download very fast for you as well. And also people who post data on their computers can also be rewarded with BitTorrent tokens as well. Well, there are other use cases for the BitTorrent token, and with that they can really make the price really explode a lot. It really made me profit, and other people I told to invest in BTC, it really made them profit as well. So I had a couple of calls from people telling me, well, we are really making money on this BTC. Because about people called me and was like, well, I wanted to invest, but I didn't have money to invest, and maybe I was ready to invest, but I didn't really believe in it because looking at the price was so low, like less than a penny. So people didn't really believe in it, so they didn't invest. Subscribe or click the link to follow my watch list, which I update every you're gonna see in order the trends that I'm predicting is really going to perform in that week or in that month. I'm really going to update this most of the time, so you can look into my watch list, and based on that you can use for your analysis and place your trade. This is not a financial advice, but I'm just telling you what I think, and that's my view, and that's based on my analysis. So you have to also do your own analysis. Don't FOMO, right? You don't have to FOMO. Well, when Bitcoin was making over $5,000, I did a short teaser, a short video, and I posted it on my Instagram and also my WhatsApp status and also YouTube. So all my handles are banklifestyle. You can check my handles out. So I posted this short teaser, and that time Bitcoin was making me around $7,000 to $13,000. So I made this video, I posted it, and I saw a lot of people jumping in to buy BitTorrent. That was FOMO, than the fear of missing out. They were afraid to miss out on the move, so they just want to buy the BitTorrent token high. Okay, at that time I was planning to sell my BitTorrent token. Well, I was planning for it to go to $1, but I saw there was going to be a pullback because it really had, a very sharp candlestick, bullet candlestick. I thought there was going to be a reversal, so I withdrew all my profits, and now I'm waiting for a reversal at a specific price. In my next video, I'm going to show you the charts or the analysis where I'm going to buy in back on BitTorrent so that I can get more coins again for it to go on the next bull run. So right now I can see a correction on the BitTorrent charts going towards the downward direction, and it's hovering around 0.08 thereabout. Still waiting for a specific price, and then I can buy it back on BitTorrent and make some profits, and I can get more coins on it as well. So just subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification button so at any point in time I post that video, you can watch it and know the price I'm looking at to buy back into BitTorrent. And in my next video, so I'm going to show you what I'll use part of my BitTorrent profits for. Well, I'm doing a couple of projects, and well, I'll also take your view on what you think I should use my BitTorrent profits for as well. Though I know it's solely my decision to take, but guys, you're part of the family, and I include you in some of the decisions we take. Well, we are planning to also expand our video and do other exciting projects on crypto and Forex. So we take your views as well. So what's my prediction for the BTC token? I'm so bullish and I'm so optimistic about this BTC token, and I think in the next 2 to 3 years it will get to 50 cents. In the next 5 years it will get to $1. So I'm going to show you the levels I'm going to buy in, the levels I'm going to sell, buy in and sell. So I'm going to show you that in my subsequent videos I'm going to shoot, so that I can follow my thinking or my plan to take profits, and also the time that best to get your money into crypto. There are a lot of opportunities happening this season, and I'm here to show you most of them. So if this video was informative to you, like the video and share it with other people who you think is really going to be informative to them as well. Guys, any comments, put them down in the comment box, and I'll be so glad and happy to answer your questions for you and clarify everything or anything that's bothering your mind about cryptocurrencies and trading or investing in that market. Guys, until this game, stay safe and trade safe. Don't forget.